Understanding, add salt to taste. An English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common phrase you might encounter in English, especially in cooking contexts. Add salt to taste. This phrase is not only about cooking but also offers a glimpse into English language nuances. So, let's explore what it really means and how you can use it effectively in your daily English conversations. Add salt to taste is a phrase often found in cooking recipes. It means you should add as much salt as you think is needed to suit your personal preference for flavor. There's no specific measurement given because it's understood that everyone's taste is different. This phrase emphasizes personalization and the idea that you, as the cook, have the freedom to decide how much salt is right for the dish. Interestingly, add salt to taste can also be used metaphorically. In a broader sense, it suggests adding something in an amount that is personally desirable or suitable in any situation, not just cooking. For instance, if someone says, "Add humor to taste in your presentation," they mean you should include as much humor as you think is appropriate. This phrase offers a cultural insight into English-speaking societies where individual preferences are highly valued. It reflects an aspect of English where expressions from everyday activities, like cooking, become part of the broader language. Understanding such phrases can enrich your English communication, making it more vivid and contextually rich. Add salt to taste is more than a cooking instruction. It's a window into the flexibility and diversity of the English language. Whether in the kitchen or in conversation, it reminds us of the importance of personal preference and customization. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English language journey. Stay tuned for more insights into English expressions, and happy learning!